Hi guys, today I'm sharing a smoothie recipe. It's a coconut kinky smoothie, or simply put, coconutty mashke. Join me. All I need is my blender, okay? I'm going to add the ingredients. So what I'm pouring in right now is coconut water. You can use ordinary water if you do not have the coconut water. Then I'll go in with some evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Apart from being a weight gaining smoothie, this is also a lactation drink. So if you're a new mom and you want to increase your breast milk supply, this drink is for you. So I'm going ahead to add in some sugar and oats. And these are flax seeds. Oats and flax seeds do wonders when it comes to breast milk production. And then I'm going on to also add some coconuts. Coconuts is also known to boost breast milk supply. And then what will go in last is my fancy kinky. So fancy kinky is made from corn, which also helps in breast milk supply. And I'm going to top it up with some water and blend. To be honest, I don't like this to be very smooth, so I leave it a bit coarse so that I can chew on the coconut when I'm drinking it. But of course, do it the way you prefer, very simple, healthy, nutritious. I mean, it's so good, really. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share, and keep this family growing. Also, remember to try this recipe and keep blooming.